Today I will show you simple tips that can make your azalea blooms heavily and stay colorful longer. Azalea plant does not flower due to incorrect sunlight, pruning, watering, or fertilizer. Let us fix that step by step. Step 1. Give the right sunlight. Azaleas love bright and direct light. Too much sunlight can damage buds, while too much shade reduces flowering. A location with very bright shade, or morning sun and afternoon shade, is ideal. My azaleas are in bright shade for the last 10 years, and they bloom heavily each year. Step 2. Use correct soil. Azaleas grow best in well-draining, slightly acidic soil. Alkaline soil reduces nutrient absorption, and flowering becomes weak. Waterlogged soil can rot the roots. Add compost or well-rotten leaves, or composted pine bark and river sand to make the soil acidic and drain quickly. Use pots having drainage holes for good drainage. Step 3. Fertilize correctly. For more blooms, feed azaleas with a balanced fertilizer made for acid-loving plants. Avoid fertilizer high in nitrogen because it produces more leaves instead of flowers. Adding compost, cow manure, or leaf mold will benefit the plants. Apply fertilizer during the growing season and stop feeding in late autumn. Step 4. Water properly. The lack of proper watering will affect the flower bud formation. Azaleas not getting enough moisture will produce less flowers. Azaleas have shallow roots, so dry soil can cause flower buds to drop. Keep the soil slightly moist at all times of the year, but never soggy. Apply mulch on soil to keep moisture stable and save roots from heat. Step 5. Prune at the right time. Pruning is important for new growth. It can increase airflow around planter, preventing diseases. Incorrect pruning time is the most common reason why azaleas do not bloom. Prune immediately after flowering, because azaleas form next season's flower buds soon after blooming ends. If you prune your azalea late, you are removing future flower buds. One of the biggest mistakes is pruning too late. Step 6. Remove dead flowers. Remove old flowers. It helps the plant save energy and focus on new growth and bud production. I simply pinch off faded blooms gently by hand. Step 7. Repotting. Azaleas in pots become root-bound in 2 to 3 years. This reduces proper hydration of roots, and the plant will not produce many flowers. So transfer the plant into a new pot to size bigger every 3rd year. Step 8. Protect from harsh weather. Harsh cold weather and frost can damage buds, preventing them to open up to flower. Provide adequate winter protection for your plant. Cover the plant with a blanket or put a tent over the plant. Move the pot in an unheated room if growing in pot. So this is how, with proper sunlight, acidic soil, correct pruning, and balanced feeding, your azaleas can produce stunning blooms every season. Try these tips, your azalea plant may become completely covered with flowers. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share for more flowering plant care tips. Next, watch how to grow azaleas from cuttings. Happy gardening!